From the beautiful little town of Greenbush, Michigan, the Sweetwater Sea Bed and Breakfast presents
Well, now it is March, and some warmer weather is melting the ice and doing some really interesting things to the beach.
Look, it's like a miniature of a cave that you could go kayaking in. Yeah, but it's really cool over here because the ice really still goes down.
Oh, yeah.
He's sticking up, shining bright.
Oh, hi, Charlie.
Right.
Okay. And they get to go, Charlie. Look how smooth the sand is. Well, hi, everybody. So today, it's the first week of March, and we've got like 60, 65 degrees, something like that. It's really amazingly nice out. The ice is melting steadily, and you can see here just some chunks left. And the sun's out, and it's warm, and I don't even have to wear a winter hat. So it's nice. We're having a good walk. Hi everybody, so it's the next day and we're back down below freezing. Gonna have ice storm and snow overnight, and but at the same time all the ice melted, so time to get cold again. Yeah, all the snow's gone from our path. We can see our steps again. Look how big and flat our beach looks, and how straight the edge is where the water is. Hi everybody. So remember the other day when it was beautiful and sunny and 70 degrees out? Well, guess what? It's still March, so we're having a little